So the crypto market never sleeps. It's a 24/7 chaos where Bitcoin can nuke 20% or rip to new highs while you're away from the screen. A good example of that is October crash, where we saw billions in leverage vanished in less than an hour. And maybe you've been impacted too. Me, I definitely was. By the time I checked my phone, all my positions were closed. But thankfully I wasn't liquidated, just my stop loss triggered and got me out early. And that's simply my system doing its job. I was running an automation, a simple greed spot margin with an exit below support. If I'd been trading manually, I would have panicked. But that's where automation shines. No ego, no panic, no tilt, no FOMO, just 24/7 execution with clear rules and managed risk. So grinding harder, stacking more and more indicators, or pretending to play Nostradamus may not be the solution. No one knows where the market is heading. The only thing you can do is improve how you react to these changes. Now, don't get me wrong, automation isn't magic. You still use your judgment, but you apply it once and let execution runs automatically from there. So we'll keep it simple. I'll show you how to connect your Kraken account to 3Commas and launch your first automated strategy step by step. You won't just copy settings, you'll understand them. And by the end, you'll trade with more control and less emotions. I'll see you there.